Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl GHK, baby girl Jenny. So on today's video we are going to be making some salmon alfredo sauce, okay, for pasta. I already cooked my pasta and everything, but I'm going to be preparing the sauce with you guys. So here I have salmon that I have chopped up, okay, into smaller bites, and here I have 5 cloves of garlic that I kind of mashed and also chopped okay, and then I have spinach. This is baby spinach. I have my alfredo sauce. I have mushrooms. Honestly, if you're going to use mushroom, I recommend you buy them in the as a whole mushroom, and then you cut them yourself, because I realize when you do that you tend to have more mushroom, okay. And I have spices. I have audible, I have pepper, Kenyan powder pepper, you know, the African tone. I have parsley, and then of course I have some salt. I'm also going to be using extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit, okay, just a little bit to fry up, you know, this garlic. So we are about to start. All right guys, so my cooking pot is hot. I'm going to add just a tiny bit of olive oil, okay, not a lot, just a tiny bit, and then I'm going to pour my garlic in there to start frying. I'm just gonna fry this for like a minute, and then I'll pour my salmon in here. Alright, so my minute is up. I'm gonna pour, actually no, I'm gonna take my salmons and put them in here. I don't wanna pour just in case there's water in there. I don't wanna introduce no water, at least not anytime soon. For now, I'm just gonna add my spices and my pepper, and also add the parsley, just a little bit of everything. Then I'm gonna put this on, let me put it on low for now, okay. Add my spices, everything, cover it up, and come and check on it in like 2 minutes time. All right, so I added the spices. I'm going to stir it, and then I'm gonna cover it and let it cook for a minute to 2. So this is how it's looking like. I'm gonna cover it up. This is the only time I'm going to stir at this thing, because it's fish, you don't want it to, you know, fall apart totally, okay. So once it's cooked, you can just stir it one at a time, once again basically. So yeah, so the next ingredient I'm going to add is the mushroom. So once it's cooked for a minute, I'm gonna go ahead and add the mushroom to it so it can soften up, and then I'll add the sauce, and you end with the spinach. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use all the spinach because I feel like it's a lot of spinach, but hey. Alright guys, so the salmon is basically almost done cooking. So at this point, I actually just shaked it, okay, no stirring, nothing. I just shaked it just to make sure it's not sticking at the bottom. I'm going to add my mushrooms. Just add as much as you want. I think I might save some of this mushroom as well, because it's just a lot. So yeah, I added my mushroom. I'm going to shake it up a little bit, and then I'm going to cover it and let it steam. Let the steam actually help cook the mushroom up, and I will come back in like 2 minutes again, and then I'll add the spinach and I'll do the same thing. So guys, the mushroom is all done. Yeah, the water is from the mushroom, okay. Whenever you're cooking mushroom, just know this is gonna happen. The water is from the mushroom. I'm gonna go ahead and add spinach as much as I desire. And the next thing will be adding the sauce. I just want the spinach to, you know, just soften up a little bit, then I'll come back and add the sauce. Definitely I had a lot of spinach, so I'm not gonna use everything. I'm using alfredo sauce. That's why I want this to be as healthy as possible. All right, so yeah, I'm just gonna cover it up. In a minute time the spinach should shrink up, and I'll come and add the alfredo sauce, and we are basically almost done. Guys, it's looking really healthy. I'm going to go ahead and pour my alfredo sauce. It has parmesan cheese, and I love that. I love parmesan cheese. I'm gonna shake the bottle and get everything from the bottle in here, okay, and then I will stir it and come back and show you guys. So this is our alfredo sauce and how it's looking like. I'm debating on whether I should put the pasta in here or just leave it and just put it on top of the pasta. I think I'm just gonna leave it because I don't know, I feel like I have too much pasta. I don't know. This is, by the way, this is the pasta, okay. I use whole grain organic pasta. I think I'm just gonna store the pasta separately from the sauce, and also I think I'm just gonna add the rest of the spinach to it because there isn't enough spinach here. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna do that, add the rest of the spinach. By the way, I went ahead to add the rest of the mushrooms because after it was cooked I realized there wasn't enough mushrooms, so I added the rest of the mushrooms. So I'm also gonna go ahead and add the rest of the spinach, let it cook for a minute, and then taste it. If it should be a little salty because parmesan has salt, the alfredo sauce has salt, and I just put a little bit of salt, so the sauce should be perfect. No need to add any extra salt, but I'm gonna taste it. But so far I'm just gonna add the rest of the spinach, stir it, show you guys in a minute time because it should be done then. I'm gonna turn off the stove. So my alfredo sauce is done. So this is the salmon mushroom spinach alfredo sauce. It tastes really good. It's a little bit spicy because I added the Kenyan powder pepper because of the fish. Honestly, I don't like when I use seafood, I always use a little what you call it, pepper, because I don't like that you know, smell of seafood. So the pepper actually helps a lot. You can use lemon if you want to. But anyway, I'm done. I'm gonna let it cool down, then I'm gonna pour it into my storage bins. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know and comment down below if you tried out this recipe. I love you, and as always, God loves you more, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.